Citi Advantage Executive World Elite Mastercard Credit Card Review. Watch before you apply. If you're considering the Citi Advantage Executive World Elite Mastercard, this review will help you decide if it's the right fit for you. This premium travel card is designed for frequent American Airlines flyers, offering top-tier benefits that justify its $595 annual fee. Key features include Admirals Club membership, which grants you and your immediate family or two guests access to over 50 airport lounges worldwide, a benefit alone valued at over $650 annually. You'll also earn 4x Advantage miles on eligible American Airlines purchases and 1x mile on all other purchases, helping you quickly accumulate miles towards your next trip. The card comes with a suite of travel perks, such as priority boarding, first checked bag free on domestic flights for you, and up to 8 companions, and 25% savings on in-flight purchases of food and beverages on American Airlines flights. Additionally, cardholders receive a $100 statement credit every 5 years to cover the application fee for TSA PreCheck or global entry, making your travel experience smoother and more efficient. This card is tailored for loyal American Airlines customers who frequently travel and value premium perks, especially the lounge access and priority services. However, if you don't fly American Airlines often or don't value these specific benefits, the high annual fee might not be worth it. Overall, the Citi Aadvantage Executive World Elite Mastercard is a powerful tool for frequent flyers looking to enhance their travel experience with American Airlines. With robust earning potential and exclusive travel perks, it can be a great addition to your wallet if you're a dedicated traveler with a strong preference for American Airlines. Consider your travel habits and preferences before applying to ensure you get the most value out of this card.